My name is Toby Jacobs and I am co-director of John Jacobs Studio, and this has been a very exciting project that we've been working on, and we're exhibiting this artwork in London from the 11th of April to the 17th. All the details are below, so if you're in London please do come and check it out. And it's by Lorenzo Quinn. He calls this Baby 3.0, and this was originally hand carved in marble, and from this hand carving by Lorenzo he then 3D scanned it and he can make these 3D printouts. So this is a 3D printout, and it is printed on a state-of-the-art printer in a brand new composite resin material, and it was created for a large installation piece that is seated in Venice. And this piece is here, you can see it. It's a very large baby made of a wire mesh construct seated in a pelvic bone. It's about 7 or 8 meters tall and wide. So this is a smaller version of that piece, and this is from the original print run. There was 8 of these made, and this is the very last one that was available. So it was there present in Venice for the launch of that large installation. So it's got some history to it, and it's the very first run in this composite resin material. And we were commissioned here in London to present it in a different way. So that we're doing some work together with Lorenzo's son, who has invented a very interesting technology that we've also encapsulated into this artwork, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But what we did is essentially strengthen it up, and we added some things so that allow us to suspend it floating over this amethyst crystal bed, and we've given it this golden color so to balance the purple of the amethyst. And you can think of it like a cosmic baby descending down onto Mother Earth, or floating above this crystal bed or crystal crib. So it was a very exciting piece to work on, and we're particularly proud of how this has turned out. So if you are in London and you're free, it's well worth coming down on the 11th of April for the opening evening to have a look at this. And we're also exhibiting 10 or 15 other very exciting contemporary artists, and we're calling the exhibition Unreal. Now, not only that, at this exhibition we're going to be signing this baby. And it's going to be signed by Lorenzo Quinn, who is Lorenzo's son, and he is the inventor of this technology, so it's also fitting that he signs it. But of course he will be authenticating it on behalf of his father. Now, this technology is a microchip, and this microchip will connect to an NFT. So on that NFT will also be Lorenzo's signature and a personal message from Lorenzo talking about the artwork that only the owner of the artwork will be able to access. And this is very important because this authenticates the artwork. The NFT connected to this microchip, which is connected to the artwork, you can't get it off without destroying the artwork, and there it is there, and this is the microchip that is embedded into that space, and you can see there's space on top that we can sign it. Now this, what you do is you scan it with the app, and this app first of all will verify that the chip is a real chip, and he is authenticating it. And once it authenticates and you get the green light there, now this will link you to the NFT, and it will give you all the ownership details, so only the owner will have access to this NFT, and that means that this artwork will be impossible to forge it. You can't forge it, and you can't even steal it, because only the owner will be able to transfer this ownership. Now here are some of the other artists that we'll be exhibiting, and it's a very exciting group of artists that we've spent a long time curating, and all of these pictures are concentrating on this idea of unreal. There's something real and there's something unreal. So it's well worth coming down and having a look, because each one of these will question reality and get you thinking about life in a different way. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all can make it down to the Maximilian Wolfgang Gallery. It's in Shoreditch, London, and the opening night is the 11th of April. All the details and the links are below, so check that out. And thank you very much for watching.